Check out this really neat room down here. That's awesome. Anyway, here we have the elevators. This will be a retake for me back at the field building. This used to be the Marshall Field's headquarters. And these used to be Westinghouse Select-O-Matics. I wonder which one it's going to be. There it is.
Going up.
All right, up to 42. These go 1200. These are really fast. Here we are, 42. These things are rockets.
42nd floor. Going down.
All right. Here's the 42nd floor. And we'll get a view of what the upper floors look like. Honestly, this one's not too cool looking, but this lobby is gorgeous. Like, holy crap. That is a custom lantern. All right, hold on.
42nd floor.
That's custom as well.
Going down.
A lot of customization on these.
42nd floor.
Yes, thank you.
Going
I get
down.
it. SB. And here we go. And the capacity is 2,500 pounds. Let's take a look at the inspection certificate while we're in the express zone. Getting off of the sub-basement now. And I'm curious what the
Going up.
fixtures. There's the lock snoop. Oh wow. This is freaky.
Sub-basement.